everyone knows, right? In China, the people which have high grades, the people who get high grades, they use to choose education subject. Do you know why? Tell me one thing. What is the main aim of the student who are studying education subject? The main motto of the student who is studying education subject is to be teacher in further studies. In China, those students who have got good grades, they go for the education rather than going to science subject. Why? Because they know that after studying education subject, they will become teacher in further days and they will produce thousands of students who can study science like our Nepal. And in our Nepal, what is happening? The people who have low grades are going toward the education. They are choosing education subject when they get low grades. And those who are, okay, tell me how many of we are the topper of our own school? Please raise your hands if you are the topper of your school. If you are in top 5 of your school, please raise your hand. Top 5, please. Raise your hand if you were top 5 in your school. Everyone, don't feel shy, please. Who are in the top 10? Who are in the top 10? Your university will not lost it. Please raise your hand. We were top 10 students of our school. Have you ever heard that a topper is choosing education faculty rather than choosing science? Then what will he produce in further days? If poor students, they are choosing science rather than choosing education subject, they don't want to be a teacher in further days, then how will other generation will be good manpower of a country? Never. Third one, I have written here about course. Right?
Yes.
At first, I would like to ask you one question. Who is the present Education Minister of Nepal? Please raise your hand if you know this answer. Anyone? No. What is the importance of such education we are gaining about this? We are the students of Nepal, isn't it? We are studying in schools which are located in Nepal, but we don't know the name of Education Minister of Nepal. Subjects like social are replaced by maths. I'm not saying math is bad subject. Math is not a bad subject, but the practical knowledge which is used in our daily life is replaced by finding the value of x. Tell me one answer. In our daily life, where do we find the value of x? Where do we find the value of x? Rather than finding the value of x, if we know the education minister, if we know the name of education minister of Nepal, I think that will be more beneficial for us. What is happening in our surrounding, we don't know about it. What is happening in the world, we don't know about it. And we are finding the value of x. We are solving the determinants, we are solving the equations, we are solving the graphs. Have you ever seen graphs here? No. What is happening in our surrounding, we don't care about it, but we like to choose to find the value of x. Third one I have written here, Einstein. How many of you have known about Einstein? Albert Einstein. Who proposed this? Einstein. But as I have known, Einstein, he don't use to remember the formula of a plus b whole square. He don't use to remember the formula of a plus b whole square, but he proposed the formula E equal to mc square. From here, what do we know? That our education system, it is teaching us to remember, not to understand. Have you ever heard from your teacher? Go to your home and understand this whole derivation. Have you ever heard? Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. In physics class, in chemistry class, right? We used to sit on bench and look over this whole derivation, right? And what our teacher used to say us that, go to your home and remember this, I will ask you tomorrow.
Yes.
Have they ever told you to understand the derivation? Never. They told us to remember rather than telling us to understand about that derivation. Then how will we do progress? Even Einstein, he don't use to remember the formula of a plus b whole square. But we have to remember the whole derivation. So how impractical we can feel about it. Suicide. We always used to listen that a student who did not get good grades in class 10, she did suicide. A student who did not get good grades in plus 2, she get suicide. A student who did not, whose name was not listed in the entrance exam, she did suicide. Tell me one thing. Is SE grades more important than our life?
No.
Is plus 2 examinations is more greater than our life?
No.
Is entrance exam is greater than our life?
No.
What do we feel? 15 lakhs rupees is for engineering. More than 50 lakhs is needed for MBBS. We must have to list our name in that entrance exam. In top list, not only in entrance exam. In the top list of entrance exam, we have to gain our scholarship, right? And in that case, our mental pressure. We have to grade good grades. We have to get A plus to get scholarship in plus 2. We have to study, right? What did that grade? Mental pressure. Nothing more than that. Why people they are doing suicide of not getting their good grades? They can do very better things in future, isn't it? How many of you have known about Bill Gates? Raise your hand. Bill Gates. Everyone, most of you are not, right?
Yes.
He is the owner of Microsoft company. Do you know one thing? The topper of his class, when he was studying, works under him nowadays. Shall I have to tell it in Nepali? I will tell you that. बिल गेट्स जब क्लासमा पढ्दै थिए उनको क्लासमा जो टपर हुन्थ्यो अहिले वो बिल गेट्सकै अन्डरमा काम गरिरहेको छ. He was not a topper, but still he has done far more better progress than his topper. So is being top student is everything? No. Please don't think that. Our education system, what did he say? Your certificate determines everything. Your SE grade determine everything. Your plus 2 examination determine everything. If your name it is listed in the top list of scholarship, then you are a talented student. Otherwise, you are thrown out. Why? Why can't you do better in upcoming days? Okay, let us consider I get C plus in my SE grade. Or let us consider I get D grade in SE. But I want to study science subject. Can I study science subject? No. But my interest is totally on science. Still, is there any possibility to study science?
No.
Up to class 10. Okay, let us consider once again. So the name is our English teacher, right?
Yes.
Where she is using that chemical reactions. Where she is using that A plus B whole square. Is she using anywhere?
No.
If she had been taught English subject since her childhood, then let us think, imagine how much progress she had done. She may have been a professor in big university. We are not allowed to study our own choice. We have to study 7 or 8 subjects in our up to our class 10. Isn't it? Yes. We are bio students. We are studying mathematics. What is our aim? To be a doctor, to go in medical field. Isn't it? Now tell me one thing. Where will we use the formula tan theta? while using injection, while giving medicine, or while describing about human organs, is it required to study about biology or to math? If we are completely told to study biology, then it will be more better, or it will be more better if we study bio plus mathematics. Only biology, right? What is it creating in our mind? What is math creating in our mind? It's mental pressure. Isn't it? Why we are studying mathematics? To get our list in the top list of, to get our name in the top list of entrance examinations. That is our only aim of studying mathematics. Is it beneficial for us? No. This is the education system of Nepal. Education system of Nepal, it tells that your certificate and your grade determines everything. But it is never. And it said that less knowledge, more pressure. I have described it already. Urban Sharma. Memory. How many of you are? President. Very good. He is a world record holder. Isn't it?
Yes.
Do you know his grade? Yes, exam.
No.
He did not get distinction in his test grade. But he is world record holder. Right? Test grade is nothing. It is just like a key. That key open your plus 2. The lock of plus 2. That's it. It's not everything. Urban Sharma, he has said that if I will be the education minister of Nepal, I will change the whole education system. Before some days, I was one interview of him. What did he say that? 118 elements, right? How many days do it take to remember all that 118 elements? At least 7-8 days to remember 118 units. But what did Urban Sharma say that my students, they can remember the whole 118 units in just 2 or 3 days. In just 2 or 3 days. Not totally. If they study 2 hours per day, then it will be enough for them to remember all that 118 units. And what we are doing? We are studying day and night. Still we are not remembering. Still we are not remembering what is the meaning of reading that day and night. Is there any meaning? I don't think so. Please tell me if it is everything, remembering those things is everything, then why did Einstein propose this formula of E equal to mc square? Tell me if you have any answer. I think I have forgot some points. There are some more points. The most defect in our education system. Exam. Do you think exam is the best way to measure the intelligence of a student? I don't think so. We have already considered Jyoti ma'am, and I am a student, right? Okay. And our teacher, he said that among these 10 questions, 10 questions will come in your examination. Okay? Okay, let us consider. Not 10, okay, not 10. There are 10 questions, but our teacher said that among them, 7 questions will come in our exam. Okay? And I remember, not 7. I'm sorry. 3 questions only will come in our exam. Among 10 questions. 3 questions will come to our examination, right? Okay. I remember 7 questions. By studying day and night, I remember how many questions? 7 questions. For my exam. And Jyoti ma'am, she remembered remaining 3 questions. And what happened in our exam? These 7 questions did not come, and these 3 questions came in our examination. Who has done more hard work? Either me or our man. I have done more hard work. But what is the result? 3 questions. These 3 questions totally failed me. In our past result, I get bad marks in physics. What happened there? What happened there? Doing better in all the subjects? It has no meaning. It had no meaning because one subject could be bad. Is this education system fair? I don't think so. I never think so. Even Mark Zuckerberg, all of we use Facebook, right? Who is the creator? Mark Zuckerberg. He did not get good grades in his examination. So what did he do? He saved the whole world. All of we are using Facebook all over the world. Even he did not get good grades in examination. It is never a better way to measure intelligence of a student. Be clear about it.